Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot start Denuvo service error. So I do not condone using pirate games or piracy games. But this will be a simple fix video on how to fix that error. So let's get straight into it. So you're going to search for Windows Defender first. Okay, so you can see here Windows Security. Open that. Okay, so here you're going to go into virus and threat protection. Okay, and then you're going to go into virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Click on that. Okay, here you're going to scroll down until you see exclusions. Okay, then you're going to add or remove an exclusion. Okay, click on yes. Here you're going to add an exclusion and make sure to click on folder. Okay, and then here I would recommend you to go and find your game. Okay, so just say it's in your C drive and then you found your game. So click on the folder and click on select folder. So your game file will be added here. So make sure this is your game file. Okay, so once you added your game file to your exclusions, you're going to go back. Okay, and then you're going to go back again, and here under protection history you're going to find for the error where it says threat detected, okay, or threat detected and quarantine. You're going to click on that error, and then under actions you're going to click on allow on this device. Make sure to check for all of the threat detection whether your game directory is listed, and if it's listed, make sure to allow it on your device. Okay, once allowed, you can close out of this and then go and open your game again, and it should work. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.